At number 3, we have ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, the best premium robot vacuum. Say goodbye to laborious cleaning chores. ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo stands as the best premium robot vacuum. Its powerful suction easily lifts dirt and dust, leaving your floors spotless. You'll love how it maneuvers around edges, ensuring every nook and cranny is addressed. One standout feature is its remarkable mopping ability. It doesn't just vacuum, it brings surfaces to a shine. Including a compact handheld vacuum adds versatility for quick cleanups. If you go for the complete version, a stick vacuum rounds out your cleaning arsenal. Voice control comes in handy. Simply chat with your robot to direct it where to go or what to clean. The way this model auto-empties dust cups when docked is a game changer. It means less maintenance for you and a more efficient cleaning routine. Additionally, the base station washes and dries mop pads, which saves time and effort. Mapping and partitioning rooms happen smoothly via the companion app. Users appreciate how easy it is to set cleaning schedules. This advanced navigation rivals other high-end models, yet often surpasses them in performance. While it occasionally loses connection, it quickly recovers without issue. This minor hiccup doesn't take away from its overall effectiveness. In conclusion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo exceeds expectations, delivering a comprehensive cleaning solution.